Hi, my name's Charles. I'm a technical support apprentice here at NIKKEN, and over the past few weeks we've been going through the process of designing a new product, in particular our new Air Blade. So, although we now have a fully working prototype that's really effective at clearing the windows, we now need to package it in a way that it can fit inside most machines, in particular areas where the doors butt up against each other and slide with seals. In this version of the product, we've made some vast improvements, ensuring that all the material that needs to be there is utilised to its fullest extent. We've also redesigned the internal passages to allow for a smoother airflow. Whilst manufacturing this prototype, it was key that we got the thickness of the slot for the air to pass through correct. In order to do this, I used one of the pre-setters from our range of Elbo-controlli NIKKEN Pre-setters to accurately measure the Z length of the tool and input it into the machine tool. In the next episode, myself and my colleague Alex will be working to redesign the NIKKEN beds for use with an automatic tool changer.